The hype around Arbitrum has caused an increase in token swaps, ETH bridges, and integrations. Reactions to similar protocols such as zKSync and StarkNet have also contributed to this increase. These projects are hoping to reward their users with tokens, though there is no guarantee of long-term performance of these assets. This article provides an insightful look into how the hype surrounding one project, Arbitrum, has caused other protocols such as zKSync and StarkNet to increase their interactions. Nansen's data show that 39,000 addresses bridged $871 million to zKSync in the same period, potentially in anticipation of an airdrop. zKSync and StarkNet differ from Arbitrum and Optimism, as they are not Optimism rollups but instead are zero-knowledge rollups that aim to enable any decentralized application to operate at an unlimited scale. Additionally, zKSync has had several integrations in March, and StarkNet has announced a committee to ensure fair distribution of ecosystem-powered tokens. However, airdrops are not a guarantee of asset performance, as there are many other factors that play a role such as use cases, adoption, and fundamentals. XRP prices rose sharply today to a 4-month high. This was driven by bullish investor sentiment regarding the ongoing legal battle between Ripple Labs Incorporated and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Ripple has claimed that the SEC are wrongfully accusing their company of selling unregistered securities. They have expressed confidence in their legal defense. Market participants are optimistic about the outcome of the case. They cite recent developments in the case, such as a letter notice of supplemental authority filed by the defendants, as well as positive comments from Ripple executives. This article highlights the bullish investor sentiment surrounding Ripple's legal battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. The SEC claims that Ripple Labs Incorporated, along with CEO Bradley Garlinghouse and Christian Larson, had raised over $1.3 billion by selling unregistered securities. The day before the SEC published the statement, Ripple told Fortune that a lawsuit was imminent. The defendants in the Ripple case recently filed a letter notice of supplemental authority to support their fair notice defense. This case is expected to be ruled upon in the coming days, and investors are optimistic about the outcome, leading to increased purchasing volumes across DEXs and SEXs, and a rise in XRP prices. Bitcoin's price rose above $25,200 after U.S. inflation data was in line with market expectations. This could potentially further promote Bitcoin investment as a global hedging instrument. Despite this, retail investors appear to be mainly driving the uptrend. Institutional investors have been net sellers of Bitcoin in 2023, and whales have not participated in the current rally. Stablecoin outflows have weakened the market's buying power, and the lack of growth in whale BTC holdings suggests this could be causing the rally. The participation of whale investors is crucial for confidence in the present rally. This article provides an in-depth analysis of the Bitcoin market, exploring the various forces influencing the current price rally. It examines the correlation between Bitcoin and gold, institutional and retail investor sentiment, the flow of stable coins, and miner holdings. Furthermore, it provides technical analysis of Bitcoin's price movements, such as the break above the February 2023 highs of $25,200 and the unfilled gaps on CME futures charts. The article also outlines the March 22 Federal Reserve policy rate announcement as a potential market mover. Overall, the article provides an informative review of the Bitcoin market and its potential future movements.